guys, it's Kem. My real name's Kem, in case you're curious. Thank you for joining me for another video, and if you're new, then welcome. Today, y'all, I'm finna blow dry my hair for the first time in a while. I mean, like, I've gotten it blow dried, like, but I haven't blow dried it in a while, so we just gonna get into it. So, I already washed and conditioned my hair, and I have a video up on that, so I will link that above so you can see what I used. Products were bomb. I actually believe it should be the video posted right before this one. So the one product that I'm going to use is the It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In product. And I picked this up because whenever I'm at my cousin's salon, this is what she uses right before she blow dries my hair. And my hair always turns out well. Like, it gets pretty straight and I never have any heat damage from it. So the 10 things that it does is repairs dry damaged hair, adds shine, detangles, controls frizz, seals and protects hair color, prevents split ends, stops hair breakage, creates silkiness, enhances natural body, and flat iron spray and thermal protector. It's amazingly easy to use. Shampoo and condition hair, towel dry, spray product all over hair, and comb through. Seems pretty simple to me, so I guess I don't have to shake it. I'll spray it in my hand first to show you guys. So it's like kind of a spray, but it also is like a leave-in type consistency. Now obviously this doesn't feel as moisturizing as some of the leave-ins I've used on my channel before, but it didn't really need to be that moisturizing because my hair already felt really good. Now I will say, if you guys are looking into using this product, it's actually, now that I think about it, natural hair products are expensive too, so this product really wasn't doing too much. It was $20, but it's kind of small. So I mean, it depends on how much you straighten or blow dry your hair. Unless you just kind of want to use it as a leave-in, I'm pretty sure they do at salons, you know. My hair comes out looking right, alright, so I must be doing something. Okay, now we can get into what we came here for. So the blow dryer I'm using today, it looks like this. It's a hot mess because my brother used it and he was painting and he was trying to like dry the paint. So yeah, sorry it's not the cutest. It was a little bit cuter before this, but you know, what are you gonna do? I didn't plan on blow drying my hair. Doesn't even fit. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Alright y'all, this is me about 30 minutes later. So since my thing didn't quite fit on here, this was for a completely different blow dryer, obviously not this one, so awkward. I'm at my parents' house and my other blow dryers at my apartment. It's far away, so I had to make do. So I started by kind of like holding my hair taut and going like this just to dry it a little bit so I didn't have to go through it as many times. And then I just kind of held it on here and used it like this. And like did the blow drying that way just to get a little bit more elongation. But yo, this was a stressful process. And next time I'm gonna make sure I have my blow dryer. Or if I don't, I'm gonna make sure I get one. But you know, it did what it did. My hair doesn't feel like dry and crunchy. Luckily, the ends always feel a little bit drier than the rest of my hair, but what are you gonna do? I can't wait for this brown to be on my hair, honestly. It's just a nuisance at this point. It's not cute anymore. It just makes me look like I have no hair, like right here, because it's all brown. But for now, that's it. So make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, tell a cousin to tell a cousin, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye!